In this demo, we will demonstrate how users can create a data warehouse with Astera Centerprise in 3 simple steps. Designing a warehouse doesn't have to take weeks. With AI, you can go from source system to analytics-ready dimensional model in minutes. It starts by reverse engineering your transactional database to capture its metadata. From there, you can use the AI chat to restructure it into a star schema, creating fact and dimension tables with just a few natural language prompts. Once the design is ready, you can choose a target environment, whether that's Azure Synapse, Snowflake, Redshift, or another platform, and forward engineer the model. With the model in place, the next step is connecting it to your data sources. The system auto-generates straightforward mappings between your source and warehouse tables, while AI helps define more complex ones, like calculated measures. With mappings in place, you can expand into workflows. Here, incremental pipelines that load your facts and dimensions are generated automatically, and you can even add tasks like email notifications to confirm when jobs are complete. Finally, scheduling lets you automate the entire process, running hourly, daily, or weekly, so your warehouse is always up to date and ready to support analytics and reporting. The result? A fully synchronized dimensional star schema model, built and maintained with AI, giving you fast, reliable insights without the long development cycles.